Alright guys, so far, took the hood off, put on top of the roof there, and let's try to get some light. Jack the car up, so hopefully it's stable. Should be stable. 2 jack stands in the rear, 2 up front there. Seems to be somewhat leveled. And now next up I probably gotta take off this front bumper here. So of course I'll have to take out the headlights and then some other couple things. Take out the fender liners, probably, since they're attached to the bumper. And then after that, next up is taking these calipers here off. Calipers, rotors, and pads and all that crap in the front here. Just because, like I said earlier, I didn't take that wheel off yet, or the other. But yeah, just like I said earlier, I had the one caliper go on me, and gotta get that fixed under warranty, so they're giving me a whole new set instead of just one caliper, which is crazy, but hey, I'm not complaining. And then I gotta take off the exhaust there from that V-band clamp and take it off all the way straight back. I'm just disconnecting it from that there just so I can straighten out the pipes, because what's happening is I'm getting an exhaust leak straight from there, as you can see, and these clamps are just not fully tightening because of that. And so I'm gonna just take it off and re-straighten this pipe. It sucks because I would have gotten a full new exhaust system, but you know, this is titanium, and I was like, oh, let me just get another titanium exhaust. And looking at the prices, I was just like, geez, my jaw dropped. I was like, I don't got money for that. Like a titanium like downpipe alone is like what, $340 some odd dollars. I don't even know, but titanium ain't cheap, man. It's expensive, but trying to work with what I got, and so that's what I'm gonna have to do. Alright, so now I got the front bumper off and the headlights off. So next up is getting this front bumper support off. So it looks like there's a bolt here and a bolt back here that goes to the front of it, and as well as the other side, bolt there, bolt on the back of it. And so this just looks like it's a clip that I'll have to just pull off. You've got one there and then one here. Pop. Pop. And so I stand corrected, I was wrong. There's a last bolt on the bottom there. So, got that one, and the one on the bottom. Still haven't got to this side yet, but off she goes. Now to take this front mount off and put a, well, I don't have the big front mount yet, but we'll have to get that soon. But yeah, now next up is just take the stock front mount off and wait till I get the bigger front mount in. But yeah, that's a start for the front end. Still got to take the fenders off because, shaking the camera, I got to fix the rust. No, wheel arches over here because they're pretty bad. Yeah, this camera's probably not going to pick up how bad they are. But they're pretty shot. I'm losing some paint. It's probably bare metal, which is really not good, so hopefully I can get that fixed and sand it down and cure the paint so I can primer it, do all that good stuff. Because definitely don't want rust on this car any more than it already has, because the rockers are gone. So next up, to take this front mount off, probably just got to take these 2 bolts off here on each side, so 4 in total, and that should be it. And then go in the back here. Well, probably got to take off, get a light, these clamps to disconnect the silicone clamps from the charge pipes. Probably can leave that be there. Probably just have to disconnect this one to disconnect it from the intercooler itself. And I didn't know this was an AGP. That's odd. I don't know if these are like I know AGP is very well known for SRT-4 parts, but if this is a stock intercooler, which I've never had a front bumper off to see a stock intercooler, but I don't know. Is this like aftermarket or is it stock? Because this is the first time I'm seeing it. And off it goes. Wasn't too bad. Pretty thick. But it's just not big enough. We need big boost.